This video is going to show you how Unaric Voice for Teams can handle inbound calls coming from phone numbers that may conflict with contacts in Salesforce. So for example, if you have 2 or more contacts with the same phone number in Salesforce, this video is going to show you how we can handle those calls. So first of all, if you go into the setup in Salesforce and go to Softphone Layouts and edit your Softphone Layouts, in here we can see the call type is going to be inbound, and you see the screen pop settings at the bottom here. So for no matching records, you pop this to a new account, a new case, a new contact, a new lead, etc. You can select from this list. For a single matching record, we'll pop this to the detail page. So if there's only one contact that matches the phone number call in, it's just going to pop that contact's detail page. And for multiple matching records, we'd recommend that you pop to the search page, which is what you're going to see in this video. So what I'm going to do now is place a call into my Microsoft Teams user, and you're going to see the conflicting records appear in Salesforce. So this is the call coming in here. I'm going to answer this call. And with this call answered now, we can see in the background that it's popped to the search page in Salesforce, and we can see there's 3 contacts with the same phone number here. So for that reason, the Unaric Voice for Teams toast doesn't display a name, and that's just to avoid any confusion. So for example, if we picked up one of these contacts in alphabetical order and displayed John, it could potentially be Josh calling. So for that reason, we'll only show the phone number. Once you establish who has called, if you then go and click into that contact, it's going to open the contact record in Salesforce, and you'll see that the related records will now have changed. So it's John Smith for the who is, and Wilkins Medical Insurance for the what is. So we have the John Smith contact, and it's linked to the company that's associated with John Smith. If you do go and select the incorrect contact by mistake, it's not a problem. You can go back to the search, or you can search for the contact inside of Salesforce. We can click into the Josh user, and then here you can see that we can assign or pin this phone task, phone activity to a different user. So if I select assign now, this is now being reassigned to the Josh test 2 user. You can see the related records at the bottom.